start the video by thanking our new subscribers and our returning subscribers. We value you and we thank you so much, and we pray for blessings upon you. So today we are going to talk about a very entertaining video. Actually, it is very entertaining, the topic that I want to cover today. I want to talk about the popularity of Jamaican music and the way different groups here in Africa dance to the tune of Jamaican music. Jamaican music is one of the most entertaining music, and it is very unique, having been got from a cocktail of the West African people, where Jamaican people are got as slaves, and from the people who colonized them, the European people, the Spanish people, the American people, the British people. It's actually a cocktail of very many races coming together and producing the best of music. Jamaican music is not just music to entertain. It's music that has been there from the times of slavery, the history of Jamaica, from the starting of the history of Jamaica, and we see the music of Jamaica starting from the slavery, the people who were held captive and were actually being used as slaves. Those people used to communicate through music, and this is where the Jamaican music was born. We have had Jamaican music talking to people and actually talking on behalf of people, not just educating people. It talks about the culture of the people of Jamaica, the history of the people of Jamaica, and above all, it talks on behalf of the underprivileged, the social injustice, and the equality of people. Jamaican music is not just music, it's a vibe. It's an entertaining music. It's a unique music. It's a music that can actually talk on behalf of other people and actually liberate people and set people free through the genre, the different genres that are played in Jamaica. And I'm not saying this out of nowhere. Like, let us look at reggae music. Reggae music became the voice of the underprivileged. It talked on behalf of the people that were actually being oppressed, the people who are being actually punished and enslaved. It talked about those people and fought for them. But Marley himself used songs to support social injustice and equality through its capacity to actually affect public opinion and impact social change. So through the songs, Bob Marley used to capture people and actually highlight the opinion of people through music, and this brought about justice and equality. Music has power. Music has strength. Music can actually change a society. Music is a way of actually telling people who you are, what you represent, your culture, your history, your everything. Music talks. It can make people to actually join from different areas, different communities, different nations coming together to enjoy the music of a nation. We have had ourselves the Jamaican artists coming to Kenya and actually bringing their culture, their cultural music, and their entertaining music to the Kenyan people. Apart from that, we saw that the Jamaican music has played a role in the independence of so many countries. South Africa, apartheid, Peter Tosh played songs that actually played a great role to liberate the people of South Africa. I'm not here, guys, to give you history about the music. I'm here to make you get entertained today. We are going to see different groups dancing to the Jamaican tune, to the Jamaican music. Remember that Jamaican music can actually take different genres. We have the reggae music, we have the dance hall, and we have the ska music, which is actually practiced because people can dance to its style. And therefore, this video is not just to tell you about the history of music in Jamaica. It is actually to entertain you from different groups that have danced to the different genres of Jamaican music. To start us today, we have a very, very peculiar group. This group is not just an African group. It's a group that has won competition, not just here in Africa, but in British Got Talent. This group is none other than the Ugandan Ghetto Kids. These kids have danced to Jamaican music. You can see how popular the Jamaican music is. And these kids are slow in this music. They are not just slow, but they play to the rhythm of the music, and you get entertained, you get glued to the Jamaican music when it is danced by these kids from Uganda. Guys, you are going to watch the most entertaining video of the Ugandan Ghetto Kids praying to the Jamaican music. That is how popular Jamaican music is. Get a look at the Ugandan Ghetto Kids as they play the Jamaican music. I'm sure you are laughing and you are entertained. I'm sure some of you have stood to dance with these children. This is how the Jamaican music entertains, brings life, brings a smile, brings happiness, brings every kind of expression a human being can have when you are joyful, when you are happy, when you are entertained. So the Ugandan kids have actually played the Jamaican music in a great way. They have entertained all of us, and you can see how talented these kids are. They can play to Jamaican music. You can see how far music can travel and communicate to people and entertain people. These kids are an example of how music can communicate, can be transferred from one region to the other, and can bring entertainment all over the world. By the way, guys, this dancing of the ghetto kids in Uganda are actually entertaining the whole world with Jamaican music. Can you see how popular the Jamaican music is? They are not the only one, guys. We have this guy from Kenya. He is actually wearing the Kenyan flags and he's dancing to Jamaican music. I don't know whether he was smoking the marijuana or what he was smoking, but you can see he's dancing to the tune of Jamaican music. He is entertaining a group of people. I told you, Jamaica reads, others follow. This music wakes even the person who is sleeping, the person who is bored, the person who has actually gotten annoyed and they don't want to talk. They can wake up and dance to the tune and get entertained by this music. Can you see this guy? How he's happy, how he's dancing to the song, how he's entertained, how he's enjoying the music of Jamaica. That is how the music of Jamaica acts like a magnet to actually attract people, and they are glued there. They cannot come out of there. We have just come from the Ugandan kids, and I'm sure you are glued to watch them because the music is so entertaining. It's so bringing refreshing to the human beings and brings joy. So watch this guy and get entertained as we watch other groups praying to the Jamaican music. Guys, I'm sure you are entertained by this man as he dances to the rhythm of Jamaican music and at the same time smoking whatever he's smoking, and we are really entertained by the genre and the music and the style. Yeah, I'm sure you are entertained. The Jamaican music does not capture only adults. It captures even small children. They pray to the rhythm of the music. They entertain. They get happy. They enjoy the music. You cannot imagine how the small kids feel when they are playing the Jamaican music. The Rastafarian colors. Can you see how beautiful these kids are as they dance to the reggae music? Wow. And that is why I was saying that music, especially the rhythm, the different cocktail of the Jamaican music can actually entertain you, can glue you to a TV, can make you enjoy each and every minute of the playing of this music. Look at these kids. They are innocent. They are so young, yet they can play to the style, to the rhythm of the Jamaican music. And this music can bring about cure. It can bring about happiness. It can bring about life. Because if you are down and you watch these children dancing, no one can resist being happy. No one can resist laughing. No one can resist being joyful. That is how the music of Jamaica entertains. So watch these kids. There is the first kid and the other two kids, and you can see how they are entertaining. They are dancing to the rhythm. They are enjoying the music. They are actually happy to actually dance to the tune of the music. So just watch them. I don't want to talk a lot. Guys, comment in the comment down below whether you are entertained by these small angels as they danced to the Jamaican music, Jamaican rhythm, the reggae rhythm. It was epic. It was so beautiful. When I looked at them, I got so entertained. I'm sure you are also entertained by these children as they play Jamaican music. And finally, we have a Jamaican entertaining us with the music from Jamaica. This music she's playing is from Chaka Demas. And we can see how the lady is so enjoying the music, how she's a vibe. I always tell you, Jamaican people are happy, they're entertainers, they are humorous. You can see it from this lady. She's actually gluing us to her to watch her moves as she danced to Chaka Demas music. Can you see how music is rife in Jamaica? I could not put all the videos I watched of Jamaican people praying to the music, dancing to the music, being joyful, being happy, entertaining, educating and all that. Jamaican music is from another level. And today I decided to shoot a video on Jamaican music because music actually brings us to life. Music makes us to be added days. When you are happy, your days on earth are added. And And therefore, music is a very, very important tool. Just like I have said, it communicates, it liberates people, it frees people, it entertains, it brings about joy. And therefore, why not talk about music? So today's video is just about music. And if you are entertained, hit that like button and comment down below. We are going to appreciate that. So guys, see you during the next video. Bye bye and God bless.